I'm hoping that I'm articulating myself well, where you can understand. And if you are struggling, if you're finding yourself struggling to stay consistent in the gym, it could be because you have to reprogram your default setting. You have to turn this into a lifestyle. Now, how you do it is by, one, as I said yesterday, finding something that you like to do, because if you like doing it, you increase the chances of keep on doing it. Now, don't go to the gym and go do your least favorite exercise and your least favorite routine and your least favorite. Find something that you know you can stick to. You will more likely stay consistent. And second, treat it as something you do where you know, say, okay, the more I do this thing, the more I'm going to develop the skills. So say 7 days out of the week, go to the gym 4 days and try to go back to back to back, and then you take your break and then you go back to back. Because then when you do that, when you do that back to back to back to back, you are developing the habit. If you go say, oh, I'm gonna go gym Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you put too much days in between, even though it's 1 day, but you're taking too much break in between. You get what I'm saying? Because then now your mind is like, okay, I go today, oh, I take it off tomorrow, I go today. But you see, if you say I go, and then don't get me wrong, I'm not saying go every day and lift heavier, go every day and exert yourself to the point where you feel tired and you feel like you need the rest. You can go to the gym Monday, lift heavy and something, and you go to the gym Tuesday and you just walk on the treadmill. But you're getting your mind in that place where it's like, I go to the gym. I'll go to the gym every day. I'll go. So even if you just go for going at the sauna, or if you go to just go looking at the mirror and take a picture and then come out, but you are developing the habits of someone who goes to the gym. And then that's how you're going to reprogram your mind, reprogram your default to say, I go to the gym, I go to the gym.